Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Woo, I'm really happy about this box that finally made it in the mail. This one's going to be pretty cool. There's been other videos out about this, but not for me. This is my first one. Two different parts that I'm happy about. The metal that it's made out of and the design that's on it. It's pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's cut this thing open. Cut it on this side. Get my fingers out of the way. Let's go back. Cut it all the way through. Alright, this one is going to have an invoice in it, so let me get that out of there. So this is what's inside. Doesn't take a lot of packaging material because it's not very heavy. Alright, another great little box. Love those boxes. And those of you who order from this company, Liberty Coin off eBay, you know that those are, you'll recognize those boxes. That's how they always ship them. Liberty Coin, for me, is just a great place to buy bullion from. They have good deals, and also a lot of times they have eBay bucks. A lot of their stuff will qualify for eBay bucks. And let me go ahead and take this shiny plastic off of here, get that out of our way. And I'll tell you the story. I bought this with my eBay Bucks coupon. So for those of you who don't know, I'm going to actually take it out of this flip too, just to... Alright, so let me tell you a story then. I used my eBay Bucks coupon, so you buy things with eBay Bucks, get your 5%, whatever it might be. And sometimes it's 1%. If they don't have a promotion going on, you still can get eBay bucks applied to your stuff. So they do that for 3 months, a quarter, which is a quarter, right? 3 months out of the year. And after the end of that 3 months, within a few days, they send you a coupon code for all the eBay bucks you've tallied up over that quarter. Sometimes, it all depends on how much you spend on eBay, right? But it can add up to quite a bit. And, you can buy coins with eBay bucks. You got to find the right vendors. Like I said, Liberty Coin is usually one of them. Not for all their coins, but you can usually find plenty of coins on Liberty Coin that they allow the 5% or 10% discount, whatever the eBay bucks are. Or any other things. Whatever you want to buy off eBay. Maybe you're looking for some headphones. Maybe you're looking for some other audio equipment or whatever. eBay bucks, you can usually apply to it. So at the end of the quarter, they send you a coupon code for whatever amount that you have accumulated over that quarter. And with that coupon code, there's no limitations, no restrictions. So you can buy a piece of bullion and apply that code to it. It doesn't matter. Whereas getting the eBay bucks throughout the quarter applied, a lot of times they don't do the bullion money type thing, coin type thing. But with the coupon code at the end of the quarter, you can spend it on anything. And that's what I did. I bought this. I applied my coupon code to it, so I got this for well below spot because of that. And pretty cool. So what is this? Most of you probably know by now, but let's pick it up a little bit here. It's 25 pounds is the face value. And it is the 2021 Britannia. Look at that, huh? Oh my. It's got all the security features. Look at the waves in the background. And then down here in this little circle, we'll see if we can watch that. So there's a padlock right there. And if you keep moving it, see how it turns into a trident? See how it's an arrow now? Again, we're looking right inside that little hole right there, that little circle. See the trident? Then we flip it up, changes to a padlock. That is so cool. That's a security feature with these new Britannias, both on the gold and the silver. And I've got a video out of the silver coins that I picked up a few weeks ago, so why don't you go check that out if you haven't seen it. Pretty cool, showing off these features. And then over here in the shield as well, there's a bunch of fine lines throughout those crosses on there. Camera's not really picking it up. Some very detailed stuff inside the shield. And also, I'm not going to be able to see it on this small coin, but if you look underneath the big lettering, right in that little tiny strip there, can you see? Some small lettering in there as well. And all these are security features to prevent counterfeiting. And they did a fantastic job on this one. And it's 4/9 fine. You can see up there, 4/9 fine. And you can see that it's shiny as a mirror. You can see my finger there just bouncing off that as a mirror finish. Oh man, this thing is a gorgeous coin. Now, I generally don't pay a high premiums for my gold because I buy it as bullion. And that's why I'm happy to get this well below spot. Now, I think this will, probably could sell for a little bit of a premium. I don't know about a coin shop. They'd probably just want to give you pretty much spot for it. But others may want to give you a little bit extra for it because this thing is gorgeous. But I always buy my gold. See, you can see the trident going to the padlock right there. Yeah, you see that really easily right there. But I always buy my gold as bullion. I don't pay big dollars for it. That's why I struggle to buy the American Gold Eagle, even though the American Gold Eagle is a classic gold coin that people will pay for. And we'll pay up a little bit on a premium, but the premiums are pretty high on those things. And, they're good to have. But I have a hard time paying all that extra money for a 1/4 ounce or a 10th ounce of gold when a lot of times I can buy commemoratives or other things off of Liberty Coin that can be at spot or below spot. And then I know when I sell them, I'm not out trying to demand a premium and look, I paid, $60 more for this coin. I want my money back. And they're going to go, no way. We'll give you a spot for it. That's all we're paying. So then when I go to resell, when I need to, if I need to, I won't be disappointed in what I get back on it because I got such a good deal on it in the first place. And this is a beautiful one to have. Yeah, so what do you think? Huh? Is she a beauty or what? I'm pretty happy with that one. Light's not doing too well down there like that. Just been trying to get my fingers out of there. So you can see the coin and not my fingers. There you go. Very, very nice. Royal Mint did a great job on this coin. This thing is fantastic. The U.S. Mint is putting out a new American Silver Eagle and American Gold Eagle this year. They're supposed to have security features on them. Man, I really hope they can do something like this. I'm not expecting it because the U.S. Mint seems to be pretty well behind the times when it comes to stuff like this. But boy, this is really, really cool. I really hope they kind of follow along and do something similar because I think that would be awesome. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.